Okay, for this question, this is from the topic 3 practice set 1. Okay, so we need to solve the simultaneous equation. So basically what we would want to do, right, is you can see that here, this is related by multiplication. And also here, okay, here there's a subtraction now. Okay, so remember I told you that there are two general methods. One is by packing, one is by substitution. So if you're looking at packing, right, then usually the questions are related by times or divide. If you're looking at substitution, then basically they are related by minus or plus. Okay, so with that, okay, if you look at this question, okay, let's look at the first one. What we do is we try to pack them into the same denominator. So 64, let's try to make it 4 power 3 or 4 power y, and 16 can be 4 power 2, so 4 power 2, and then I multiply by x. Okay, so I hope you're okay with this part, because 16 can be the same as 4 power 2 bracket x, so this 16 power x, and over at this portion, a power m bracket n is the same as a power m times n, and therefore you have 4 power 2x. Okay, so with that, combining this portion, this gives me 4 to the power of 3 plus y over here, because a power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n, and on the right side you have 4 power 2x. Okay, so since the bases are the same, you can just equate the powers. And therefore you have 3 plus y equals to 2x. Okay, and this is your equation 1. Okay, you can also write y is the same as 2x minus 3. So the thing is, this question is a bit different from all the others that you have seen in your practice set, your school notes. Okay, so if you look at this question, wow, it seems like I can't really do a subs because they don't have the same term. I can't really pack also because they are not related by times and divide. Okay, so what I do is here, I'm going to do substitution. I'm going to take equation 1. The strategy is I take equation 1. I'm going to sub it into this equation over here. Okay, so from here, substitute. Okay, you can see I'm going to sub the y using equation 1. So equation 1 is going to go inside here. You have 3 to the power of 2x minus 3 is equals to 4 times 3 to the power of x minus 2 minus 1. Okay, so now you can sort of see that they already start to have the same base and the same power, right? 3 power x, 3 power x. So this is where you can start to introduce your substitution. Okay, so from here, in order for us to introduce the sub, we have to first split them up. Okay, so I'm going to try to show you how I'm going to split these two terms. This is going to be the same as 3 to the power of 2x multiplied by the 3 to the power of minus 3. Okay, so far? So 3 to the power of 2x, 3 to the power of minus 3. Okay? So this portion here, this is 4 multiplied by 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of minus 2, minus 1. Okay, so this is basically just reversing the product law. Okay, like 2x plus negative 3, x plus negative 2. Okay, I'm just reversing the product law for indices. So you can see that the moment I do that, right, my sub is very clear. This will going to be my substitute. Okay, 3 power 2x is going to give you a u square. So if I let u to be equals to 3 power 2x, 3 power x, then this portion is going to give me my u square. This portion is going to give me my 1 over 27. Okay, this portion is going to give me my 4 bracket u. This portion is going to give me my 1 over 9. Okay, minus 1. Now just simplify this further. You have u square over 27 equals to 4 over 9u minus 1. Okay, let me just multiply all by 27. So if I multiply all by 27, it will look better. So this will give me a u square. Multiply by 27, this gives me a 12u. And this gives me a 27. Now you just work it out. You will get something like u minus 9, u minus 3 equals to 0. Now continue subbing it. Sub back your u to be 3 power x. 3 power x equals to 9. Your x will be equals to 2. Okay, quick math. So 3 power x equals to 3. x equals to 1. So from here, you have the two answers, and x equals to 2, x equals to 1, you should be able to get, sub back into the equation, y will be equals to 1, and from here, y should be equals to -1. Okay, so that's for this question. Okay, thank you.